Have you ever wondered if you could find a budget phone that's both affordable and tough enough to survive the drops and bumps of daily life? Well, look no further. Today, we're diving deep into the HONOR X6b, a phone that promises durability without breaking the bank. Stick around to see if it's really as tough as it sounds. Number 1. Build and durability. First, let's talk about the build and durability of the HONOR X6b. In a world where most budget phones feel fragile, the X6b is a pleasant surprise. With its solid polycarbonate back and reinforced frame, it's designed to handle rough handling. Whether you're clumsy or just need a phone that can survive a fall, this one's up to the task. The shock-absorbing materials give it the strength to survive drops from a reasonable height, which means you don't have to worry every time it slips from your hands. This phone feels sturdy without being heavy, making it an ideal choice for people who are always on the go. Number 2. Display quality. Next, let's talk about the display. Budget phones typically have basic screens, but the HONOR X6b impresses with its 6.5-inch LCD display. The HD Plus resolution delivers vibrant colors and decent brightness for indoor and outdoor use. Whether you're scrolling through social media, watching videos, or playing games, the screen is clear and sharp, without the premium price tag. It's not an AMOLED display, but for this price, it's more than enough. Plus, the notch at the top adds to its sleek design, and the bezels are thin, making it great for media consumption. If you're someone who watches a lot of videos or browses the web, you'll appreciate how crisp and clear the display is, especially at this price. Number 3. Camera performance. Now, let's dive into something that matters to a lot of people: the camera. Many budget phones skimp on camera quality, but the HONOR X6b offers a solid 13-megapixel main camera. The photos are clear, sharp, and well-detailed in daylight, with good color accuracy. It's perfect for everyday shots like capturing your lunch or a quick selfie with friends. It also has a 5-megapixel front camera, which is great for selfies and video calls. The AI modes enhance the photos, especially in tricky lighting. Of course, the low-light performance isn't stellar, but considering the price, it's more than acceptable. If you're after decent photos without spending a fortune, the X6b stands out in this category. Number 4. Performance and battery life. Moving on to performance, the HONOR X6b doesn't disappoint. Powered by a MediaTek processor and 4 GB of RAM, it handles daily tasks like browsing, texting, and watching videos without lag. The gaming performance is solid too. While it won't run the most graphic-intensive games on high settings, it's more than capable of handling casual gaming. When it comes to battery life, the 5,000 mAh battery is a standout feature. With moderate use, the X6b easily lasts a full day and even a bit longer if you're doing lighter tasks. Charging is quick enough to get you back on track without waiting long. For anyone who needs a phone that won't die halfway through the day, this battery is a real bonus. Number 5. Value for money. Here's the million-dollar question: is it worth it? For under $200, the HONOR X6b delivers a lot of value. It combines a durable build, a solid camera, good battery life, and a decent display. Everything you need from a phone, all at a price that doesn't break the bank. It competes with phones that cost twice as much and still holds its ground. If you're looking for a budget-friendly phone that can handle your everyday needs, the X6b is a strong contender. It may not be flashy, but it's reliable, tough, and delivers everything a budget phone should. And that wraps up our review of the HONOR X6b, the phone that's tough enough for your daily grind without breaking the bank. If you found this review helpful, please hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more gadget reviews and tech tips. Drop a comment if you have any questions or thoughts on the X6b. Stay ahead with the pulse of tech.